So all this kit does is convert the Europe AC to DC, 12 volts DC, and then this converter will get 12 volts DC to a US AC. So it'll be 110 and 60 hertz. So as you can see, I'm not advertising anything for Walmart or anything, but this is where I got the kit from. They call both of the pieces are Schumacher, and this is how you spell it. The AC to DC converter is, the model is a PC6, and the power converter is X114. So you just heard the noise. It's like unbearable. I can't cut hair with that, but I'm gonna show you how it works once I plug it up. So this is how it works. You just plug the AC converter up, and the power converter goes in here. It's like a cigarette lighter plug. Just plug up in there, and you have a USB and a regular AC plug. And now all the clippers are quiet, cutting hair regular, like you should be. And this the price. So the converter was all right. So as you can see, these are the prices. I only paid $5 for shipping, so $40 when everyone else wants to charge ridiculous $200 and $150. It's not really reasonable, and it came in a week. So Walmart does ship to APO boxes and mailboxes if you are in the military. 1 week. I mean, that's pretty reasonable to me, $40, and I'll be able to use it forever. All right, thanks for watching.